I think this year there's going to be a lot more ears that are open to listen, and just too many things keep on happening that are in line with the things that Bitcoiners keep saying, like this is going to happen and this is going to happen, and so now we keep knocking down milestones of things that we say are going to happen, and I think we're getting closer to a point where our families are going to listen to us a little more, and so this year I actually purchased a hardware wallet for all the heads of the families in my family, my parents, my sister and her family, my brother and his family, and purchased them each a hardware wallet, and then a little over 1 million sats each to get them started. So and the only caveat is they have to sit with me for a half an hour and learn how to use the hardware wallet and kind of maybe get a little tutorial about like why this is important that they hold this money. And I certainly would encourage all other Bitcoiners, like the people in their family they've been trying to orange pill, like buy them a hardware wallet and load some on there for them, and then they're going to be a lot more open to listening, because at the end we these are the people we care about, and we don't want to see them left behind, and we also probably don't want to have to carry them on our stack as so we want them to get on board here.
Today's bullish bit was brought to you by Seedor. I personally use them to keep my seed phrase secure from anything life throws at me. Simple, secure, and built to last. You can check them out by scanning the QR code on the screen or clicking the link in the show notes down below.